What up, guys? So I really wanted to break this down really quick to teach you guys how to start rebuilding your credit fast, right? I'm giving you one of the sources that I use personally. And if you know anything about my story, I was literally able to increase my credit score over 226 points in less than 3 months, right? So here's one of the strategies that I personally use. There's a site, it's called Self, right? Self Lender. And they basically allow you to build your credit up by getting secured products. So secured loans, secured credit cards, X, Y, and Z, to allow you to start reporting that positive on-time payment history onto your report. Because a lot of times we got all of these negative items, right? And we don't have enough positive items to be able to move forward in the right way. So what you want to do is you want to start adding positive trade lines or positive accounts, primary accounts, to your report. So one of the places you can do that is called Self, right? Self Lender. You can go ahead and you can sign up for their secured loan, right? And this is what I really love about them is that, okay, so you put the money into the account, you pay every month, right? I was paying like $48, $46 every single month, right? And then what happens is when you, this helps you to build up discipline, right? And responsibility with your credit, because if you messed up your credit, obviously you don't have the discipline and you weren't responsible. So this allows you to start doing that. What happens is every time you pay, the money basically goes into like a savings account, right? So you pay your monthly payment and the money goes into a savings. Once you make 3 monthly payments, right? And then you break the threshold of $100, what they're going to do is they're going to release funds to you, right? They're going to release the funds to you. But on top of that, they're going to ask you, do you want to use these same funds and open up a secured card? Now, if you know anything about secured cards, a lot of times there's still hard inquiries, right? Well, there's no hard inquiry here. So you literally got the builder account, no hard inquiry. And then you got the secured credit account, no hard inquiry, right? Now, this is two positive payment accounts that are added to your credit report. And they all came from the same money that you were spending, right, to build your report. So this way you don't got to open up 3-4 different secured cards with different companies. You could literally do it all internally through Self, right? It's absolutely wonderful. I had a lot of people that went through my program that used Self to build up their credit, and it helped them, especially when they went to go get the high limit credit cards from Navy Federal and stuff like that, because they usually want to see that you have 2 positive reporting credit cards on your report. Now, it's tough for you to go out there and get a credit card if your credit is trash, right? So, you know, utilizing Self and their program, it could definitely do a wonder for you. So make sure that you go ahead and you sign up for Self. And if you like this tip, right, and you want more information like this, click the link either above or below this video. I got a free training that's literally going to teach you everything you need to know about repairing, rebuilding, and getting approvals with credit, okay? So I'll see you guys on the free training. Mikkel Bennett signing out.